so out of the ordinary. How are you laying me down to a dead and buried?
Of a big storm coming in. That's the front of it on that side, but it's way over the top of this. Some people have really been getting a hail the size of tennis balls in these last storms. See that there. And this is what's coming over us now. The wind's just starting to pick up. Switch back over to here. You can see, look at that's come right over to there already. It's moving very fast. You can see the speed of those clouds there. It's moving very fast. And that looks pretty kind of haily to me through there. The rain's just starting to come. Here it comes. Wow. Here's Kerry. Wow, look at that. Okay, now it's starting to get exciting. Here we go. Come inside. Yeah. Now it's starting to get crazy. Trees are starting to push around a bit. Here it comes. Wow. No, I won't say it too long. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, it seems like the intensity of the storm has gone off. Just some rain. But there's a bit of damage on my tree there, on the branches. And took the door off my garage and yeah, it's a bit wet out there. I want to go running in the garden, but it's a bit wet still. Oh yeah, some big branches down here. held up okay. Some branches down. Yeah, just throw a tree to the beating. It'll come off there. Right there. Just a bit of beating. Oh, I got branches everywhere. I'm probably going to have to get a